Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm hunky dory, and how about you?
I'm good. And I think we are meeting for the first time.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have been trying for a long time to connect with me, but due to time issue, we were not able to meet. First of all, we are meeting for the first time. So I want to know about yourself.
Okay. So as you know, my name is Nishi Saini. If I talk about my academic credentials, so I have completed my MA and also B.Ed. Basically, I'm a teacher, but this time I'm looking a job. And I belong to UP, but now I'm living in Faridabad, Haryana. So
Okay,
and,
okay.
that's all about me. And now it is
Are
your
you a
time.
YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
YouTuber. My channel name is Enhance Your Skills.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so my name is Shilpa, and originally I'm from Himachal Pradesh, but currently living in Punjab. I have done masters in biotechnology and B.Ed. Sometime I teach online. I conduct online classes of science and bio. Apart from this, I'm learning English because I'm very much passionate to learn this language. That's why I have created a YouTube channel, and nowadays I am working on my YouTube channel. Yes, this is all about me.
So, what is your channel name?
My channel name is Learn with Shilpa. But firstly, when I started my channel, it was related to science subject, but it was not working well. So I switched science to English. So nowadays I'm uploading videos related to English. So I was getting good response of subscribers. So that's why now I'm uploading videos related to English language.
Okay, that's good. So, I think, do you have any child?
Yes, yes, I have one kid. I have a one daughter. She is 7 years old, and nowadays we have summer vacation. So I came to my parent home in Himachal Pradesh, but now vacations are going to end, and soon I will come back to my hometown.
So that's why you are free.
Yes, yes, that's why I'm free and I get free time from 10 to 12 and in the evening afternoon time I also get time. So I take lot of session over here. But when I come back to there, so hardly I will be able to take two sessions, maybe sometime in the evening, sometime in the night. In the daytime, I will not be free.
Yeah, I have seen many times when I messaged you.
Yes,
So,
yes. Because I'm living in a joint family, so for these conversation we need a quiet and peaceful space. That's how we can take our conversation. But that's why I was not getting time there. But here I'm getting a lot of time, so I'm using this time in my conversations.
yeah.
In your mind and now it just flies away from my mind. And now I'm thinking what I was about to say. Okay, you life because we can also learn by talking. How long have you been learning this language? When did you start your journey of these kind of conversation?
I think approximately I have been working uh, so
Hmm.
in 7 to 8 months, but because of the means I do not make consistency, so that's why I'm not improving a lot. Because I got
Okay.
also married, and earlier I didn't think that I thought that I will improve, but I didn't make any strategy that how can I improve a lot. So when I generate means I made my channel. So I started word meanings related video, means grammars related video. So promptly an idea came up in my mind that I need to improve myself. So I started work on my skills. So now, yeah, I will say that I'm not improving a lot, but now I'm able to understand and I'm able to speaking more things. Yeah. So I'm giving my best, and also whenever I get time, so I read the books. Okay, so I
Mhm.
read I read any content on related on social media. Like I am spending a lot of time on social media. I'm not saying that I'm spending a lot of. Whenever I spend my time on social media, so I try to read any topic. So many quotations and so many topics we can get on the social media, and also related to translation also I read it. And also one another app is a story app. So whenever I get time, so I read the story app. And before this class I was watching one video that was means English video. So that is the things I'm doing it.
That's great. Because if you are practicing English daily, then it will be good for you, and you are speaking very well. I can say you because you are able to use correct grammar. There is no grammar mistake in your speaking, so it's good. And it has been 2 years for me. I have been learning this language, and you have been maybe six. How many months? 6 months?
7 to 8 months.
Yeah. So it's good that you are improving. Okay. So I want to tell you. Do you know about Chat GPT?
Yeah,
Chat
chat
GPT.
GPT. Yes, yes, yes.
Are
I
you
work.
using? Are you using
Earlier,
it?
yeah, one, two, means three, 4 times I used it, but this time
Mhm.
I'm not working on it. Yeah, but it is a good app, if I say.
Yeah, it's very beneficial. Actually, I have been using it for last week, and I find it very interesting because you can create any conversation between two people in English. You have to give it a prompt that create a conversation between two friends. Then it will develop a conversation. You have to listen to that conversation, and you can recite it and you can learn it by this method. And even you can correct your grammar mistake by using this application. So it's really wonderful.
Okay, I will try it.
Yes, and even you can translate from Hindi to English or English to Hindi. And you can say that create a course, English course for me. I'm at the beginner level, so it will create a course for you. It will give a full study plan, what you have to do to learn English language. If we want to use this application in a good way, then we can use it. I was not aware about it earlier, but last week I came across a video on YouTube. Then I just started researching on it, and I find it very good application. For example, you were telling me that we were play a role play of teacher and student. So we can go on that application and we can say create a conversation between a teacher and student. So it will create a conversation for you. You can listen to it and read out it, and you automatically you will learn some new sentences from it. So it's very beneficial.
Okay, tomorrow we will play means we will play a role so on teacher and student. And before the joining before joining this session, so I will work on
Yes,
it.
yes. Yes, definitely. Even I was thinking to make a video on it, but I thought that first get all knowledge about it. After that, I will upload. A lot of YouTubers have uploaded many videos about it.
Yes.
Sometimes we have no knowledge. there are many application available, but we don't have any knowledge about it. And people are using it, and they are learning from it.
Yes, they are really means they are means running like means time to time. They are updating their self time to time and also learning many
Yes.
things. So like
Yes.
we need to a mobile like update. So that they people also update like on according to their time.
But don't you feel like that sometime it's very hard to get updated nowadays because technology is getting advanced day by day, and we are not aware of everything, especially the homemakers, because we don't have time. And but I think today's time it's very important to get updated about new things, new technology things. So I think it has started in 2022, AI, Chat GPT, and I was not aware about it.
Yeah.
So it's very important to get updated about these things.
Actually, last year, one of my teachers, he told me that, Nishi, do you use Chat GPT? That I told no, sir. I never use it, and also I never heard about it. That use it. So then I used
Mhm,
it like only for my teaching things. Like I searched about the only 3 4 topics. So then
mhm.
so okay, that I can also search on the Google. So but now you told me that we can do it. So yeah, I will take the benefit of this app.
Yes, sometime we are not able to translate some sentences into English. At that time we can ask from ChatGPT or translate this sentence into English, so we can get knowledge for English learning. I think it's good for English learning. We can do many things on ChatGPT, but as we are English learner, so we can use it in this way.
That when I used one time. So I was asking something. So I asked that how do you? So he told me that I am
Yes,
mushy. I have no feeling.
yes, yes. I have no feelings. I have no emotions. I was also doing it. I was asking, "How are you?" Then she was telling me, "How can I assist you? I'm not a human. I'm a robotic machine. I can only assist you." So I was also laughing, and I was enjoying to do conversation with
Yeah.
her. Even I told to my daughter that see how I'm doing conversation with her. So she was also looking at her, and she was also looking at her and thinking that how she is replying and what is she saying.
Yeah, but Chat GPT is nice app.
Yes, yes. So how is the weather outside?
Today, it is rather good. But now when I went outside, so I thought means the sun is rising now. But in the means my family is living in Delhi, so I read the message. So in the morning, the means sorry, barish. I forgot.
No worries.
Actually, this time I'm unable to make the sentence. Don't know what did happen. uh,
What you want to say? What you want to say? You can say in
बारिश
Hindi.
बारिश हुई. Actually, I got drizzle means
Uh,
rain
it
rain.
rained.
Yeah.
Yes, you are talking about the past, then you should say it rained few hours yeah, you can say that it rained, but now it's sunny.
Yeah, it rained,
Okay.
in Delhi. But I can make suddenly don't know what did
Yes,
happen.
it
I was unable
happens.
to understand.
Happens. That's why I was, note down this sentence that you are not able to speak, then research on Google or anything else so that we can speak it later, next time.
Yeah, and I this time I will say one good habit. So like whenever I get stuck, and also I am unable to make the sentence, also framing the sentence, and also unable to find out the word, means any word meaning. So immediately I search out and I learn it, and I was unable to find out the meaning. Like I'm reading some another topic, and I got stuck. So that time I go on Google, means immediately, and I search out. So that is a good habit,
Yeah.
but earlier it was not same habit. So I was procrastinate nation nature. So I always that, oh, tomorrow I will do, and after some time I can search it.
Forget. Yeah, and after if you will not search, then any other day you will forget that what you have to search. So it's better to do at that time.
And also whenever the topic and also the means, the sentence is important. So I always jot down in anywhere, means that is that I can, whenever I will open my notebook and also open my this book. So I will read it. So then I will I will catch these things. So earlier I was reading some that how can we ask that where do you live. It is a a different topic. It now it has become old sentence, you know. So now when I was listening to someone that were having the conversation, they were having the conversation. So I picked out two sentences. I hail from, you put up, where do you put up, and another word, I hail from Delhi. Yeah,
Yeah.
something. Hail.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
So
heard only the second one. The first one I have never heard.
yeah.
Yeah, I hail from. And the first one, what was that?
Where do you put up?
Okay, where do you put up?
Yeah,
Okay.
actually, I gave the I gave the KBS exam. So that was the time of interview time. So when I this word I heard about that time is interview time. So that
Mhm.
time, but I didn't focus and I forgot. Then I was watching one video, and that was a having of conversation video. So then I immediately I jot down both words.
Okay, okay. Okay, Nishi. So it's nice talking to you. I enjoyed the conversation, and tomorrow I will let you know whenever I will get free. I will message you in the morning. Okay.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much for giving your pieces.
Okay. Thank you.